Big Block Bob here, straight back from Race Week 2021. Got some bonus footage here. A couple of my buddies. The first one is a Race Week competitor running the Pro Street class in a Big Block Procharged Nova. Adam that day in Kearney, Nebraska set a new personal best. It was his first time in the 8s. He goes in with the 887. And then we got Big G in the beautiful 66, a nitrous assisted small block. Both of them pulling those tires hard off the ground. Enjoy the footage. My Race Week content will be up before you know it. Hopefully this will keep you entertained until then. Thanks for watching.